Today we will be talking about the currency howl. Gold for gold keys tumbling out of raids in Kanpur. You see, I had predicted in my article I had predicted, the pertaining to Venus, that Venus is going to overstay from the 8th of December to 27th of, in fact, 27th of February. It will vibrate between Capricorn and Sagittarius, and especially when it is fallen, it is most venomous. It is for 112 days in these two signs, and it is parallel to 2013-14 when we had a similar pattern of Venus transit. And it is supposed that when a planet is fallen, it is most venomous and it gives the results of its significations. And obviously, the scams pertaining to Venus signification will sprout. I had predicted about Bollywood celebrities and they got entangled in the tax evasion. And because Jupiter is also afflicted, so Jupiter is wealth. Venus is currency. Venus is silver. Venus is perfume. And he's a perfume dealer. Must be in the age bracket of 47, 48 years and must be born in December 1974. The birth details are not available, but I can make out the Mars Ketu conjunction in his chart is exactly taking place now over the Mars Rahu, and then his Venus has to be debilitated in Navamsha. It may be good otherwise, but in Navamsha it has to be debilitated and together with in the Dashmansha. Anyway, but I had predicted very clearly that there will be scams related to currency, there will be scams related to wealth, and scams related to the Bollywood. And all has come true. Even the dates I had mentioned, that it will be after Venus goes in retrogression. Venus went in retrogression on the 19th of December. And this raid was done on the 24th of December. And Mars is going to activate the eclipse point of the solar eclipse of the 4th December 2021 on the 30th. That means tomorrow. And it will join back Venus, fallen Venus, in the 8th house of the India Foundation chart on the 16th of January. So between 30th December to 16th January, it will be most important and most sensational facts will come out of the bag. You will wait and see. Up till now, everything is camouflaged and we do not know who is the main character behind it. But all will be exposed when Mars activates Venus. Mars has activated Jupiter and you had this chopper crash. And now Mars will activate Venus. Any planet which is afflicted when gets in contact with Jupiter and Saturn, it is activated, and then Mars explodes. Mars gives the explosion, it bursts. It is just like switching off the light just by pressing the bell. You hear the sound. So similarly, Mars does that activity. And wait and see, everything will be out. All these scams pertaining to wealth will, etc., currency, etc., raids, etc., will come out on the 16th of January. And when there are Mars and Venus are degree conjunct on the 27th of February, they are degree conjunct and Venus loses in planetary war. First it is fallen for 59 days and then it loses in planetary war. It is activated by Mars. So 27th becomes most important. 1-2 days here and there because when Mars comes in the same Navamsha, it acts. So when I give a date, it may be 1 or 2 days here or there, because when they come in the same Navamsha, then it is that then Mars gives the result. And when I say 18 degrees, it is also 16.4 degrees, because 18 degrees of Mars is most important because it is the eclipse point. So it can even activate today, it can activate tomorrow. Actually, it will reach the 18 degrees tomorrow. So this is what all friends I just wanted to say. Not even a single astrologer has given these predictions about Venus, because in Parashar does not specify anything for a foreign planet. And everybody is considering, a Venus stays only for 18 days in one Rashi. And nobody has written about why, what will happen, and what is the fallen state. They don't even know. And all the predictions, what as per the Tamil classics and the South Indian classics, are proving spot on. If you use them properly, then you have to use the declination. You have to use the South Indian techniques, and all is proving spot on. So this is what all friends I just wanted to say. This article was written much before. And as far as the Bollywood is concerned, we all know Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai and Dev Gun are in the text net. And I had predicted that a celebrity, known celebrity, will get into troubles. There will be problems in the marriages also. Wait and see. All which has been predicted, all the significations of Venus will sprout. Mars and Ketu are together in the sign Scorpio, the 8th house of the natural zodiac. And so hence Mars, Ketu and Venus are on the wheel. And then you have the Kalsarpa Yoga from the 16th January to 24th of December. You can wait and see. The Venus is also the 6th lord of the India Foundation chart. And day after tomorrow, it will fall back. Sorry, it will, on the 31st, it will fall back in the sign Sagittarius, the 8th house of the India Foundation chart, and will show chronicity in the virus. You can see for yourself, the virus has surged. The dates are proving spot on. After 19th of December, there has been mutations also, as I predicted, the mutations of the virus from Omicron to Delmicron. So put together, Delmicron and Omicron could be fatal. If not very dangerous, but definitely it can create a havoc and a panic. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Keys are also, now the 300 keys have been found. Keys are also depicted by Venus. So all these significations of Venus are proving spot on, and gold is by Jupiter. And Jupiter was afflicted. It has been activated by Mars. And it is already aspecting Mars. Till the time it aspects Mars, all these scams will come out related to gold, related to silver, related to the significations of currency, and then the Bollywood, the entertainment industry, the automobile industry. So on the 1st of January, Sun and Venus are together, and Venus is Vargotam. So Sun is energy. So in the automobiles, there will be innovations as far as the energy part is concerned. Instead of petrol, we'll be using different energies. And you can see for yourself. Nitin Gadkari has already announced that the old vehicles can be converted into electric by spending there are 6 companies which are coming from abroad, and they can be converted into electric, hybrid, which will run for about 100 kilometers and then come back to petrol. And when the battery is charged again they will run, and you need not go to any station for charging that. So Venus and Sun together is bringing about a big change, So this is all, friends, I just wanted to say that this is most interesting and most what do you call things coming out. Absolutely, Venus is fallen, but it is Vargottam. So the automobile industry will be influenced in a big way, and energy conversion as far as the automobiles are concerned would also take place. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.